I'm recording this as I roll down the street in the Juicemobile in a hurricane brought on by HARP weather technology because the tyrannical overlords are doing everything they can to stop the Juiceman from spreading the truth. The virus didn't work, murder hornets didn't work, race wars didn't work, fire tornadoes didn't work. So now they're sending Hurricane, who is this lady? Hurricane Sally. Hurricane Sally is breathing down my neck, but I will stare into the eye of the storm, and she will be the one who blinks, because the Juiceman fears nothing.